Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I traveled to Africa, some country, Zambia, and I'm in Luansha, Kafubo block. Today we are out in the evening and we are foraging some natural vegetables. This is how it looks like. Marshy land, they plant vegetables. This is like what they call Chinese, but they water from the well. They make a little small shallow well, but it produces water, if you know what I mean. In the marshy land, this is all the marshy land here. This is where we plant some early corn. As you can see, the field is a lot of corn, and we've been, if I zoom it in, been foraging. We got some vegetables. I don't know what they call it in English, but this one is not pork salad, but it's like in the family of pork salad. This is edible and it just grows naturally. You're gonna have fun with dinner. But I have my family everywhere foraging. That's corn over there, and we are getting what we call Kalembra, or if you know, sweet potatoes has some leaves. That is what we are, the similar to that sweet potato leaves, but these ones, they grow naturally. I can show you one like here. Hold on. This one, this is edible. I don't know what you call it in English. I'm not sure because I know it in my language. We call it Kalembra. If you are familiar with Chibemba or Bemba language, it's Kalembra. If you can see the leaves and tell me what you call it in English, I really appreciate. But I know that this is like probably the male type. I'm saying it's the male type because it doesn't make sweet potatoes. It makes nothing. It just grows by the marshy lands. And yes, it's so nutritious. We're gonna cook it with a little bit oil and some sauteed onion and tomato, salt and pepper. It's good to go. So yes, we are having fun out here. It's so peaceful out here and so cool. And for some reason, they're supposed to be raining. Like now, it's not raining. So some people have actually grown onions. If you can see, these are the early onions where they eat the water from the marshy lands. I'm gonna find a little well they make so you can see what I mean. Like where I'm going here right now, that is like that. There's water just close by, and people put like a hose and probably genset, and they use the I know that was like, I didn't want to be in the camera, but that's water running from a really shallow well. Some use a bucket or some use a genset to draw with a hose and water the onions right here. So the soil is so rich, it's so nice out here. It's so healthy with these natural vegetables with organic onion. You really enjoy. It's so good. No chemical in here. So yeah, you hear my family talking. I don't want them to be in the picture, but but I can just show you where they are and foraging. We have a little bag or some kind of bags to put our vegetables, and that's another shallow well. You see the little fishes. I don't know if it's the fish or something that is in the water, or maybe tortoise or frog babies. I don't know if you can see, they ran away. So you see there's some corn up there. Oh, that is a cornfield, but that corn is not from the rain. It is from just watering. That's the early corn we eat before the seasonal corn. This is a cornfield here. The same method is used to grow this. You just water from the natural fountain. That's the word, the natural fountain, and they combine with onions in here. So you basically, not basically, practically maybe is the word, don't even buy vegetables. Probably if you don't have a field, you just, it's cheap, you eat healthy, it's organic, and it's really nice. So maybe another month, this corn will be ready. Real corn with big corn ears or something, whatever they call it, and you have a vegetable garden here. Wonderful, beautiful, beautiful skies, beautiful rich black soil for the garden. It's very nice. In here there is what you call pumpkin leaves. These, we eat the leaves. When they mature, they make pumpkins, but the leaves are edible. Here, you know, you see these ones over here. If I can come close, they are edible. These ones also. However, we eat them, we put oil or sauteed onion and some tomatoes, or put some crushed or pounded groundnuts or peanut raw and make a meal out of that. So people have what they eat, and it's really healthy. See this one, I don't think it's doing well. Probably they planted late because it's too small. They are not even as green and as tall for to harvest in a month's time. I'm just trying to show you that I'm in the field today foraging from the nature. God has given us everything we need to eat from the soil, even though a lot of places it's not happening, but somewhere it's happening. There's a lot you can eat. Even some trees, they have some kind of vegetable you eat. Now I'm in the okra field. You see, we're just picking this okra. It's really, really, really big. This much. It's really tender. You see how I broke it? It's tender, nice. Even this one is, you plant it and just water from the little well I showed you. All this, even the leaves of okra are edible. We eat these. Very nice. Sometimes we fry it or add it to beans, or just put a little bit of soda, we call it, or do they say carbonated soda or something? That one you eat. So that's the field for okra, all that. So it's like a homestead, and people are sustained from the soil, from the fields. It's wonderful. Look at all that. Look at the skies, some nice blue, and the clouds are just beautiful, so refreshing. So I wanted to show you how people are content and how they live and eat right, eat well. Oh, this is okra. See, the okra has the leaves, the flower before it gets the okra itself. Those are the flowers before the okra, and that makes the okra. And thanks for watching. I'll be making videos and before I leave, so I can show you some stuff here. So it's not all what you see in the city. In the country is nice and it's beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.